How to make money quite fast on GTA Online. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will be showing you 3 different ways to make money quite fast on GTA. So for this you just have to go to online and then select the option of play jobs, and over there you will be able to find the option of Rockstar Created. Just select it, then select the adversary mode, and over there select any job which pays double. Basically there are so many jobs out there, they pay you double the money, so just complete it. And also you can go with the slasher. If you win both the rounds in slasher, you will be easily making more than $30,000. So just play slasher. And the other way is that you play alien survivals, and for that just follow the same procedure and just go to the online, play jobs, then select Rockstar Created. After that, instead of adversary mode this time, select survivals. And in survivals, the longer you survive, the more money you will be making. So it's better that you hang on there and kill the aliens. And the third way is that you join standard time trials. Basically, in Vinewood Hills, you will be able to join this particular task, but make sure that you use a motorcycle, because motorcycle will make this task easy for you, and you can easily find or buy a motorcycle for $15,000, and that would be good to go. And the bonus method for making huge money is that you go to the community series jobs and do or play deathmatch. You will be making more than $60,000 within just 10 minutes if you kill more than 15 people out there. So these were some awesome ways to make huge money quite fast on GTA Online. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.